Oh crap.
Once the officer has activated his lights, you're legally obligated to stop. Do not attempt to flee or make it to your destination. Begin looking for a safe place to stop, keeping in mind officer safety and passing traffic. Once you've found a safe place to stop, put your vehicle in park and put your hands on your steering wheel.
Good evening, miss. Pulled you over because your license plate light's out. License, registration, and insurance, please.
License, registration, and insurance. They ask for three things for a reason. They're testing your ability to recall. They're also testing your ability to divide your attention between the different tasks. It's important to keep these items at a place where they're readily accessible and make sure they're up to date.
Where are you coming from tonight? Where are you going?
Careful. Anything you say here can and will be used against you.
Had anything to drink tonight?
I mean, just a couple.
Ma'am, would you please exit the vehicle for me? I'll have you do some field sobriety tests and make sure you're good to drive.
Yes, if they ask you to get out of the car, you have to comply. Be confident, polite, and courteous, but be careful with the tests.
Mind if I check your eyes real quick?
Danger, danger. This is where you need to know your rights. Field sobriety tests are completely optional. They're subjective at best. In fact, a university study revealed that trained police officers will fail completely sober people on these exercises 46% of the time. We recommend politely declining to submit to these exercises. Instead, offer to take the preliminary breath test if the officer first agrees to show you the numeric result.
The last thing I'm going to ask you to do is the preliminary breath test. Would you be willing to take that test? It's not admissible in court. The only thing it does is it gives me a better idea of where things stand and where we go from here.
This is an important moment. He's not trying to trick you here. The results of this test cannot be used against you in court. However, the officer is not legally required to tell you the result of the test either. We suggest agreeing to take the test only if the officer first agrees to show you the 3-digit numeric result.
Placing you under arrest for OWI, hands behind your back.
If things go bad and you find yourself being arrested, it's not time to lose your cool. Don't fight, don't cuss. Your composure is important. Your future depends on it.
The first thing you need to do when you get to the station is to invoke your right to an attorney. You do this by making a clear, specific request to call a lawyer. If you don't have a lawyer in mind, use the OCRAP app. It'll put you into contact with GRL Law's 24/7 emergency legal assistance.
At this point, law enforcement is going to ask you to submit to a breath test. The decision to do that is entirely up to you.
There are consequences to either decision that may impact you differently depending upon your own personal circumstances. An attorney can assist you with this process.
These consequences are real. If you're accused of a third offense or involved in an accident with a death or an injury, or have been accused of eluding, you may want to consider politely declining this test.